Hello everyone, how to do it? I'm back with another new video, and in this video I will introduce app. It's called Notion Notes Task AI application. So basically this is app where you can write notes, plan project and organize tasks easily in one connected workspace. So if you see here the quick statistics, so you can see the rating of the app 4.6 out of 5, 2 lakh reviews, 62 megabyte size of the app, and you can see more than 10 million plus people already download this app. So if you see here the feature, your life beautiful organized, create your perfect home, organize your life's work, plan trips and adventure, take quick notes from anywhere, and also keep tracks your task, everything you need. You can see here all the thing is here. So if you learn about this app, prepare for back to school with Notion, organize class notes, track homework. And if you see here the people feedback, have been using Notion now for about a year. My entire business was based on Excel prior. So you can see here I will create more video to use this app.